Hi everybody, my name is Lola, also known as Hershey Beauty. Welcome to my channel, and this is my first video. I've been wanting to do this for so long, so here we go. Hey beauty, so if you want to see me go from this to this, then please keep on watching. So right now I'm going to prime my face with Gleam by Melanie Mills and Rose Gold. It's just going to blur out the pores and give us a nice glow from within. And I'm going to comb out my brows with old mascara wand. Then I'm going to prime my brows with NYX Cosmetics Proof It Waterproof Brow Primer. And then I'm going to just blend it into the brows. And this is just going to keep whatever product I use on my brows on for a long time. And then I'm going in with Benefit Brow Contour Pro in Brown Black Deep. And I'm taking the lighter color and putting it in the front. Now I'm going to take the deeper shade and I'm going to apply it a little bit in the middle and then onto the tail end of my brows. Now I'm just blending those colors out, and I'm gonna fade the front of my brows. I don't like that boxy look, so we're gonna make them look as natural as possible, because you know I'm working with zero brows, guys. You saw what I look like in the beginning. Now I'm going to take the Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm taking the color Toast, and I'm going to apply that with a flat detailer brush. And I'm going to apply that color in the front of my brows just to set the Benefit product. Now I'm going to take the color Wiz and I'm going to apply that to the tail end of my brows and set the darker shade. And because we're grown, we're going to take a little sippy sip, you know? Going back in with the Brow Contour Pro, and I'm going to apply the concealer portion of this. I think it's the lightest color that I'm applying. And then I'm going in with the other color, which is a little bit darker, and I'm going to go put that into the front and blend it out. And I'm going to use that same color and carve out the top of my brows. We're going to blend it out, guys, because we do not like that halo look. It looks crazy. And I'm applying some concealer to my eyelids just to prep for some shadow. And I'm going to set that with some Airspun. And you can find this at Walmart, Walgreens, CVS. It's pretty cheap, about $5. Next, I'm going to take the color Spice and apply that all over my lid. And you just want to use a color that's the same color as your skin tone. And you're going to apply it all over the lid, blend it out really good. Next, we're going to use the color Brunette. And I'm taking like a pencil brush to apply that closer to the lash line. We want it to be kind of like a gradient effect from the darker brown to the lid color. I'm going to use my fluffy brush that I used earlier to blend those two colors together. We want it to be seamless. Now we're going back in with the color Wiz, and this is going to be right at the lash line, kind of like a liner, sort of, kind of. And I'm blending that in with the brown as well, smoking it out with. Just deepening that smoke out on the lash line a little bit more with the color Wiz. And you can make this as deep or as light as you want. It's really to your preference. And then you're going to blend that out again with the first brush that we used, just to blend all the three colors together. And I'm just going back and forth between the two brushes to help blend those colors out. And next we're going with the color Zodiac, and I'm going to put that on my brow bone. And then I'm going to go in with the color Pure, and I'm going to put that right at the arch just to brighten it up just a little bit. And then I'm going to take my favorite foundation, which is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the color 355 or Coconut. And I'm actually going to be mixing 355 and 368. 368 is Deep Golden. My color changes a lot during the year, so I'm trying to make sure I have the best color possible. At the end, it's going to look all good, guys. Don't worry about it. Sometimes you just look crazy during the process, but at the end, the finished look is so wow. And this is a sponge from Echo Tools too, guys. And you can put as much or as little foundation as you like. I wanted a little bit more of a medium to full coverage, so I'm putting a little bit more. But it doesn't look cakey at all, guys. It actually really looks good at the end. And just blending out that shadow a little bit more. We don't want any lines of demarcation, guys. So always go back and blend, make sure everything's seamless. And always blend your foundation down to the neck. Here I'm taking the color 370 and I'm going to just bronze up my face a little bit with this color. I actually have quite a few of these colors, pretty much majority of the darker shades that they came out with, and I really like them all. I can use all of them. I think I have about 6 colors or 6 or 7 colors, and I can use all of them actually, depending on the time of the year that is. I'm going to blend up into the hairline area. And then we're going to go in with the color 380, which is Espresso. And the one that I bronzed with is called Deep Bronze, 370 Deep Bronze. And I'm going to go in with Espresso to contour a little bit more and bring back some definition in my face. Because we do not want a flat face. Not even our natural color is like one color. We're like at least 3 or 4 colors. I'm just blending it out, taking it along the jawline and cheekbones. And we're still blending. Blend until you have carpal tunnel, guys, because I mean, you're just gonna look crazy if you don't. Trust me. Now I'm going in with LA Girl Pro Concealer. Yeah, right? Yeah. And Fawn to highlight. And then I'm going to brighten up my under eyes just a little bit with my Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer in Y41. And here I'm blending all of that. And you want to switch between the tip of the blender and the base of the blender that you use with the foundation, just so everything's seamless. And here I'm going to blend out the concealer under my eyes before I set it with my benign powders. And I'm using the powders Banana and Topaz mixed together because they give me the perfect color, honestly, underneath my eye. I don't really like sets. I don't bake, but I just place it and then I go in with a fluffy brush and I brush it all away basically. Because I don't want any flashback. I don't want to look ashy or anything like that. I just want it to set the liquids and give me a cute, flawless look. No ash. I mean, I look ashy right now, obviously, but it's gonna look good in the end, trust me. And then I'm going in with the Tarteist and MakeupShayla palette, and I'm gonna use the 2 contour shades in the palette to further contour and set the liquid. And then I'm gonna blend out all of the powder that I used. And I'm gonna use my I think this is Sedona Lace brush, and I think the number was 339, guys. You could take any huge fluffy brush and just blend over everything so everything is seamless. I like to do this. It just makes it look really flawless. And here we're going back in with the color, what was that, brunette? Yeah, so we're gonna put brunette at the bottom lash line, smoke it out just a bit. Can we just take a moment to appreciate my pin curls? They are so cute. I like low-key kind of wanted to keep it in and not even take my hair out, but not actually a look, guys. And then we're taking Wiz to further smoke out that bottom lash line. You can skip this if you like, but I just wanted a little bit more smoky effect to it. It's not extremely dramatic, but it's really sexy though to me. And here I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Flyliner to my wing liner, and I really love this liquid liner. It's very precise and easy to use, to be honest. As you can see, that line is like sharp, honey, like sharp, and it's really dark too. Yeah, it was kind of awkward, that angle, so I had to bring the mirror closer, guys. Just checking it, make sure it's pretty even, and I'm pretty happy. And because I'm happy, I'm gonna take another sip. Here we have Nars Taj Mahal, I think it is. No, it's Nars Exhibit A blush, and I'm gonna use that to rosy up my cheeks. And here I'm gonna mix NYX blush and Bitten as well. Don't worry, I know I look like a freaking clown, but of course we're gonna take the big brush to blend it all out and make it all seamless, so it looks kind of like from within. And then this is Nars Taj Mahal. It's kind of like a bronzy type of highlight. I'm gonna use it as a highlight today. And then I'm gonna mix Maybelline's Master Chrome highlighter in Molten Gold. And I'm just now getting up on it. I actually saw Aaliyah J using this and I fell in love, and I couldn't find it anywhere, and I finally found it, so here it is. And I'm just wetting a small detailer brush, and I'm gonna put Molten Gold in my inner corners to brighten up my inner corners. I love doing this part, guys. It just makes all the difference. And then I'm taking my Rimmel London Shake It Fresh mascara in Extreme Black to coat my lashes. And here I'm just putting some black liner in my waterline. I'm going in with some lashes. You can just stop here if you like, but I am going to amp it up with my lashes. And I am using some of that Wiz to smoke out the lash line again, because I didn't want it to be too harsh. I just wanted it to be like a little bit more blended and smoky. You know, I'm going for that really smoky, sexy look. And here are my lashes. These are Icon lashes, and they are my favorite lashes, guys. These lashes are so bomb, and they are in the style Brooklyn, obviously, because, you know, I'm a New York girl, and I lived in Brooklyn for quite some time, actually, and another sec, because, you know, I'm really feeling myself. And here I'm about to put on my lashes. I find that it's easier to use a standalone mirror like this one to put on my lashes, because you have to kind of look down to put them on. I still have trouble putting them on, but this has been the easiest way for me to put them on, because I'm looking down and putting them right at the lash line. And I do put a little bit of the glue on the lashes itself and along my lash line, because I just find it sticks better. I don't know, kind of like a magnet. So that's been working for me. And here's a close-up of the lashes. Aren't they freaking gorgeous? Like, look at the difference that these lashes make. And then I'm just gonna spray my face with some water, and I just use water. I don't use anything like really special. I just needed to like set all the powder and get that powdery look off of my face, you know? Taking off my lip gloss, chapstick, and I'm gonna go in with MAC's Nightmoth lip liner. I'm gonna line my lips. I love this lip liner. This is like my favorite go-to liner whenever I'm putting on like a red lip or a purple lip. Sometimes I'll do it even with a nude, but I really like it with red and purple lip colors. And here I'm using, what is this? This is the NYX Cosmetics Liquid Suede lipstick in Kitten Hills. Oh, I love this freaking formula. I love this color. I love everything about this formula. I don't know, it doesn't feel so dry, but it dries down to a matte, like a matte finish, but it doesn't feel dry on the lips, if that makes any sense. And this is the finished look, guys. I hope you like it. It's a really easy, sultry, smoky brown kind of look. And I'm like just really feeling my hair right now. I'll leave all of the products that I use in the description below if you're looking to know exactly what I use. If you don't like a red lip, you can always pair this look with your favorite kind of lipping, and it's still gonna look good. So if you like this video, guys, just click that like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment in the comment section below what other types of videos you would like for me to do on my channel. Follow me on all my social medias, you know, get to know me better, and let me get to know you, you know. Until next time, guys.